In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly navigate and utilize the features of app photroom.com. Whether you're new to this tool or just want to sharpen your skills, this guide will provide you with the necessary steps to enhance your photo editing experience efficiently. Let's begin our journey at the heart of the action, the Create section on Photoroom's website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in appfotoroom.com. Once you're there, look for the inviting Create button. This is your gateway to a multitude of photo editing possibilities. Clicking Create will transition you into a workspace designed to bring your creative visions to life. As you settle into the workspace, you'll notice an option to drop one or more photos. Now, this is where the magic begins. This feature allows you to bring in your photos seamlessly from your device. Simply drag and drop the photos you wish to edit directly into this area. It's designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, minimizing any hassle you might face while uploading your images. If dragging isn't convenient, you can also click in the area, and a file chooser dialog will open up, guiding you through selecting your desired photos from your computer. Once you've selected and uploaded your photos, it's time to make them pop with creativity. Click on the Insert option. This step unlocks various possibilities. By inserting, you'll be integrating your images into the editing canvas. It's like placing a blank canvas on an easel, ready for the first stroke of paint. This crucial step ensures your photos are now ready to transform, allowing you to add layers, backgrounds, or remove unwanted elements with just a few clicks. Now we're ready to choose the perfect image to start editing. Click on Select an Image. You might have multiple images on the canvas, and this function is ideal for picking the focal photo you want to work on initially. Selecting an image sets the stage for you to begin tweaking and experimenting with different editing options the Photoroom offers. You can adjust elements like lighting, background, and even add text or additional elements to enhance your picture. As you follow these steps, what might once have seemed daunting becomes manageable and even enjoyable. By the time you've completed these steps, you'll have laid down a solid foundation for your project. The beauty of app.photoroom.com is that each step flows into the next, making complex edits seem like second nature. So go ahead, let your creativity run wild and bring your pictures to life with the elegance and simplicity of Photoroom. Stay tuned for more tutorials and drape your creativity across the digital canvas. Happy editing!